Load your family into the 2016 Jeep Compass. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Jeep are offered, including one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, heated seats, remote keyless entry, and more. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Jeep's rigorous certification process. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop in and take a test drive.